Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wake up every morning in your own private resort? Set on 10 acres at the foot of the Massanutten Peak and just minutes from James Madison University is 563 Hickory Point Trail. This immaculate property is one of a kind in the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. As the owner of this property, you can treat yourself and your guests to many resort-like features. An outdoor pool with a large patio for entertaining, a putting green, and a golf simulator to tune up your game, an indoor basketball court, a full-size home gym, and a billiards area in the media room. The architecture of this home is inspired by the history of the Shenandoah Valley.
We started with JMU, so we pulled in a bluestone aesthetic to the house. We wanted a classic farmhouse that really fit the Shenandoah Valley. So it's got a mix of the federal style and the Georgian style in it, but it's really a traditional Shenandoah Valley farmhouse, stone farmhouse, that we designed to look like it had additions built on it over time. So that's the wings. In the center of the house is the old house piece of the aesthetic.
The mountain views are what really drew us to it at first. But then the more we looked at it, we realized it's close to town, it's in a great school district, and then once we figured out how to put the long lane back to the very back of the property, it just really made it feel like you're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. It's very private.
The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining large groups, yet cozy enough for an evening in by the fireplace.
My favorite room in the house is the kitchen. Not only is it a great space with great light, it inspires me. I'm able to tackle things on my culinary bucket list, and everyone seems to gather and enjoy the kitchen all the time.
My favorite room depends on the season. Right here in the living room with the fireplace in the winter, certainly the screen porch for me I like most of the rest of the year. And then for fun, the golf simulator for sure.
The first floor owner's suite offers a private reading room, bedroom with vaulted ceilings, and a large spa-like bathroom with plenty of natural light. Constructed in 2014, this home was designed for energy efficiency using only the best materials and local craftsmanship.
We wanted this house to be as energy efficient as possible, so one of the strategies that we selected was how we built the walls. So ICF, insulated concrete form, is a way of building a wall that's extremely energy efficient, that has very high performance to keep the heat out during the summer, keep the heat in during the winter. They have Marvin windows, which is one of the best windows, if not the best window on the market for energy efficiency. And then the heating and cooling system is extremely high performance.
We really wanted to do solar, and at first it didn't seem that it was going to make sense to do it, but then we realized we had two huge roofs that could accommodate the solar, and therefore we were able to do it on both, and it probably does about 40% of our electric needs through the year.
There is so much to see and do in this property. It is truly like having your own resort to relax in and play every day. Schedule your own private tour by calling Funkhauser Real Estate Group at 540-434-2400.